Hey guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film a very pink purple halo eye using the James Charles palette. That would be super fun just to show you guys another makeup look part 2 using the James Charles palette I came up with. This is very like a halo eye, a little sparkle in the inner corners, a little very pop-up, it's very intense, and I just really like it. If you guys want to see how I create this eyeshadow look, my name is Talia. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and I also primed my eyelid just to get started with the palette. And for today's palette, I am going to be using my Morphe James Charles palette again. I love this palette so much. Look, I do want to go with a very bright pink purple halo eyeshadow look, so I'm really excited to show you guys the look I created. Pinky drinky, and with the shade right here. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M573 eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this as my base. It's going to go all over my lid. I'm not going to go below of my lid. I'm just doing this in my upper, not too up to my brow bone, but just kind of like in the middle of the center of my eyelid, just to be my first color base. The next shade I'm going to be going in is Skip, which is this beautiful pink neon shade. Go ahead and take my Morphe 518. I'm going to focus in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyelid. Kind of like drag it down in. All the way like a bridge down to your inner corner. Kind of like smoke it just so it can be bright, and I do want the colors to reflect the pinky drink and the Skip shade. The next shade I'm going to be going in is Single, which is this shade right here next to the pink one, and I'm going to be taking my Vintage Cosmetic brush. This is the angle that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to go ahead and dip into Single. So for this shade, I'm actually going to apply it just in the outer corner and the inner corner. And just gonna smudge it so I can get that really nice smoky effect on my eyelid. I like to press so deep into my eyelid. I like to like smudge it a little and then kind of like give that really nice effect. Go ahead and just go in the inner corner of my eyelid and just gonna blend that just like that. And now I'm just gonna go back with the Skip shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and just like blend the top so the pink shade can give a little pop up. Back with Pinky, it's like a light pink shade, and we're just gonna blend the edges on top. So I'm going to be taking my cut crease brush, and I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer at the back of my hand. Do a little halo on the center. So first I need to do a little cut crease. And just do the crease. And then kind of like smudge it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyelid, and I'm gonna go in with my Strobe and Glow highlight palette, and this one's by Academic of Color, and I'm actually gonna go with this very beautiful silver glitter. Go ahead and apply that on the cut crease. gonna do the other lid. I'm gonna go back with the eyeshadow shade. I'm gonna go ahead and just like blend it and like smudge it. And you can see the difference. That looks so much better when you blend it. You can see that really nice reflect with the highlight and the purple. You don't see like harsh edges like around. I'm gonna start with her face, and the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and take is my Smashbox Photos Finish Primer. Basically with this primer, I'm just gonna focus like kinda in the primary of your face. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This one is the shade L40, which is Classic Ivory. I'm gonna go ahead and apply 3 and around my forehead. My Mario Badescu, I'm gonna spray my sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend my foundation. Now, I'm trying not to apply so much foundation. The more you apply, the more it gets very cakiness and your pores starts to show. The less the better. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer. This one is the shade Fair 06. I'm gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my chin. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend my concealer. Going with my Hoola Contour Mini Stick, and I'm just gonna apply this a little bit on the forehead, just a little bit, probably like 3 lines, and I'm just gonna go very gently on the forehead area. Spray my sponge with the Mario Badescu. By spraying the sponge, it will make it easier blending the Hoola stick. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun loose powder, apply it on my under eye. Gonna go ahead and apply it on my nose area and on my chin, cause that's what it creates crazy. Go ahead and take my Smashbox contour palette. I'm gonna be mixing these 2 shades right here. Go ahead and just like contour. Apply this on my forehead, just a little gently on the forehead. And start removing the powder that I just applied on my nose under my eye area. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit blush. This one is Rock. And lightly just apply the blush. My E.L.F eyeliner. I heard very good things about it, so I'm really excited to try this out. An expert applying eyeliner. But I'll try my best. Now we're gonna go back with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the rest of the eyeshadow look. And first, I'm gonna go in with a pinky shade, the neon pink. And for this shade, I'm actually going to apply it on the bottom lash line. Purple shade, and just kind of apply it in purple shade. The darker shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this just to have a little smoky on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty mascara. MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray. Mascara on my bottom lashes. Drop and Glow highlighter. And I'm going to be taking the same shade, Lustery, which is more like a silver highlight. I'm going to go ahead and just take my highlighter brush and I'm going to go ahead and just apply it around the cheekbone area. Oh, that is beyond gorgeous. On my Cupid's bow area. I'm not gonna go upwards because I don't want it to like be a little intense. The tip of my nose, just very lightly. Go ahead with my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and just drag it upwards of my nose. Kylie Cosmetic lipstick. This one is the shade Expose. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my lip liner pencil and line up my lips. This is the final look, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys found the steps really easy. I just really like how this makeup look turned out. Really pretty. That's with the eyeshadow look. All the colors are like there. They all blend all well together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.